Hi everyone, Professor Simon here. I just want to pop in and tell you a little bit about writing your narrative essays, give you some pointers, and also steer you clear of some common pitfalls students have had problems with before. The first thing I want to talk about is the topic. If you look here at the essay topics, you'll see that it's always about one event. It's not a period of time, it's one event. So recount the event in option A, a true story about a ceremonial occasion, that's again one event, and a point in your life where you learned something about yourself, an incident, a memorable incident. So your thesis statement needs to specifically state what that one event is and convey to the readers that it was significant in some way or another, depending on whether you're talking about option A, option B, or option C. So please make sure you have a clear thesis statement that states that information. Second of all, you want to make sure that you use narrative elements. So last week you were reading about narratives and you read some narratives. There was a video about narrative writing, and in those you learned about the elements that make a narrative. So you want to make sure that you include those narrative elements in your own essay. And that includes using chronological order, time transitions to show when things happened and in what order, the past tense, dialogue, and lots of descriptive details. However, with descriptive details, be careful. There's a fine line between making your story come to life and overburdening your readers with details that distract from your life. So details can be a bit of a challenge. And then you want to make sure in your conclusion that you make a point. We've all had friends who tell stories and we're listening and we're thinking, so what? What does that have to do with me or anything else in this world? Your essay needs to have a point. You don't want your readers leaving with, so what? So in the conclusion, make a point. Answer the question, so what? How can you extend your experience to the audience in general? And finally, make sure that you follow MLA format. One of our course outcomes is being able to follow a format. In this course, we're using the MLA format, and so you need to demonstrate that you can follow a manuscript format. There's a video in the Start Here folder. I have a video that I can post in the on the home page for you if you would like, and there's plenty of support and help for MLA formatting your essays. And also, please proofread and check your essay. Make sure that it's the best that you can produce. I know that the assignment says that it's a rough draft that's due, but it is a draft, and I would prefer not to read a lot of rough drafts. So show me what your best work looks like, and then build on that for the revision. If you have any questions or problems, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to meet with you, or email, whatever you need. Good luck with your narrative.